With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is that why is the presence of carbon monoxide in the atmosphere undesirable? So friends, coming to the solution, basically, what is carbon monoxide? So we already know that carbon monoxide, it is a greenhouse gas. Now, it is a greenhouse gas. So if it is a greenhouse gas, then what will happen? It will yield to greenhouse effect. And friends, to be very precise, what was greenhouse effect? In layman words, we can say that it will lead to increase in the Earth's temperature. Increase in the Earth's temperature. Now friends, what happens when due to this increase in Earth's temperature, various abnormal activities take birth. Various abnormal activities happen. And friends, what are those abnormal activities? The abnormal activities which take birth are, friends, basically storm activity increases. Storm activity increases. New diseases take birth. New diseases arise. Also, it leads to melting of the polar ice caps. Melting of polar regions. Okay, and because there's melting happening in the polar regions, therefore friends, what will happen? It will lead to flooding of the low-lying areas. Floodings. Also friends, what happens is that it reduces the atmosphere's ability. It reduces the atmosphere's ability to clean itself. And therefore friends, other harmful gases are also get accumulated, which result in a cyclic loop where there's destruction only. Therefore CO is a undesirable atmospheric gas.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.